Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Valentine stitch marker advent calendar. So let's check out today's stitch marker. Ooh, we have number 6. So let's check out number 6. And I'm going to pull out mine so I can show you the ones I've already had. Let's get it out. Get it going. Oh my. This one was taped up really good. Oh, how pretty. So, this one is number 6. There's number 6. So, I'm gonna remind you of the other ones I got. There we go. I'm getting a collection going here. So let me add this one to it. And just to show you, this is how they open. Right there like that, which is great. They make great stitch markers for crochet. Just fantastic. I absolutely love them. So here they are. And that is 1 through 6. So stay tuned for day 7. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.